What's up, guys? So today seems like the perfect day to give you an update on Project Duranged. I know a lot of you guys are dedicated watchers on that, and I know I haven't been really keeping up on videos with that. I have a lot of stuff going on, so this is one of the things that I have going on right now that I've been kind of working on here and there. You can check out those videos in my channel. But I figured today's like 32 degrees. It warmed up a little, the snow melted. So maybe I should take a video of the update on what's going on with Project Duranged. By the way, thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because it's pretty important to me, and I can get these videos flowing for you guys. Other than that, here it is. Yes, if you think there's something different about it, there is. So here we go. I have been able to fix the first thing. I fixed the dent. There you go. Battle scars, right? That's what it's all about. So I consider that fixed, the dent slash scratch, and there's some new meats on it. Yes, I got new tires for it. Well, new. They're used. They're okay on the outside. They're pretty little worn on the inside, but hey, if I air down, there's plenty of meat to grip the mud. And these are 285 75 16s. Yes, I fit 285s on here. Fit is maybe an understatement, kind of, or an overstatement I should say, because they do rub like hell. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. And if you notice, there's a big puddle of antifreeze here. Yes, there's a big puddle of antifreeze here. Well, not big, but it's definitely pissing a little bit. And I noticed only when it gets cold and it thaws out a little bit. So let's see if we can get this biatch cranking over and getting it ready, because my whole thing now is of getting this thing off to the off-road park so we could take it four-wheeling in a couple of weeks, hopefully, if everything goes smooth. Other than that, it is leaking. All right, so I'm not seeing where it's leaking over here. Beats me. Maybe I can spot it underneath where it's coming from. Oh, this is all nice and wet here. Maybe one of these hoses. I have no idea. Oh, lovely. Yeah. So anyhow, I have to figure out the clearance issue for the tires, and I think I'm okay over here. I think I'm okay. Even if it's flexed out, if it rubs a little, I'm not too worried about it up there. If anything, I can cut the plastic a little bit. But this whole area looks like the tire rubbed a little here. And this is the major area where it's rubbing. So I think I'm just gonna dice this whole area out here. And see what happens. Hopefully it won't rub. Let's see if this thing will actually start up. If it will actually start up. Maybe take it for a quick test drive. All right, let's see. How dead is it? Oh, it purrs like a kitty. It smells like ass though. Oh my god, what does it smell? Of course it's lit up like a Christmas tree. Why is this? There we go. So it runs. This thing runs. And of course, don't forget the new addition that I got going on here with these limb risers. Yeah, when we were out there, I ended up smacking the windshield pretty bad, so I figured, you know what, I'll just mock some up out of some leftover shit that I had in my garage, and use some old light bar mounts to tie them on there, or to get them on there, and they actually came out pretty good. I'll show it to you in a minute. All right, this thing's running. Probably these hood pins. I know some of you guys were asking me about the hood pins, and literally I just went to that cross member that sits across, and then just drilled holes through the hood, and it came out pretty decent. They hold the hood down because that latch thingy itself, that one that's there now, is kind of screwed up, so I spent a little while trying to open the hood. I said I'm not doing that again, but I say let's do a test drive. See how this thing rolls. If this thing rolls, it's definitely rolling. The brakes work. Am I worried about that coolant? Not really. I know I got more in there than there should be. So I don't know if it's slipping through. Oh, that's major rubbish. Yep. That doesn't even sound good. Definitely gonna have to do some slicing. Oh yeah, it drives like a champ. Steering wheel is nice and straight too. Durango standard, straight. This is straight right here. So I think I'm gonna have to adjust the tie rods, which I'm not gonna do right now. I could care less about that. Or somehow do an adjustment to center the steering wheel. I'm not too worried about that right now. If we're gonna be cruising off-road, and you guys gotta remember that this is an off-road only Durango now. This is definitely not street worthy. I wouldn't even be able to imagine driving this every day. It rides wonderfully. Let me just put it that way. It's definitely all over the place. So I'm gonna keep it off-road only. Plus, there's no way it's gonna pass emissions and all that crap. Oh. All right, so I guess let's cock it over to one side and let's see how bad. Oh, I went for the key. Ha, I'm an idiot. All right, let's see how badly it's rubbing. So it's good over here. Let's see. I have plenty of clearance here. Plenty for it. This looks like go up, move freely, whatever. Perfectly good. It's this side. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. So this, I gotta cut this thing. I think I'm just gonna notch it out straight like this. Maybe a curve here. I'm gonna grab a Sharpie and start marking it up. Start cutting. Start getting this thing ready to go off-road. Back to where it belongs, all right? All right, so I got the GoPro shoved inside and I drew a couple of lines here that I'm gonna try to follow and see how it goes. So, got the death wheel, let's do this. By the way, I have no idea what's behind this, so I have no idea what I'm actually cutting into. Alright, let's see what's behind here. Oh, I might need some zip ties to hold it on for this. Oh, look at that. It's just steel. Huh. I might need a hammer to bash that in a little. Alright, so that's just some rust. Oh, alright, so I'm gonna have to try and see how much I could bash that in so that, and then this is gonna have to get like zip tied or sheet metal screw in here just to hold it in place. And that's gonna have to get bashed in. So might need a hammer because this is obviously the other side of the firewall. All right, this guy, I don't know, is this a body mount location? No, probably chop this. This is all rusted anyway. So I might be able to just chop that so I have more room for the tire. And yeah, let's see how it is. Holy shit, look at the precise cut on this. Literally just missed that. Yeah. So same thing on the set. Not too shabby. I'll take that. Some hammer banging and I'll be good. All right, so I got this side jacked up to as far as it'll go. Just to see the clearance here, and if I turn the wheel a little by hand, I'm coming close right here, but I don't think this is going to be an issue at all. That's not where the major issue was. The issue was the plastic right in here, and I banged the crap out of that to make it go in. So I think I should be okay. I might have to bang this spot a little bit more, but I think that should be all right. But the whole reason too why I picked up that end is to see if I need to do anything at all in the back, and this looks all gorgeous. This fits perfect. So the back is not an issue at all. It's the front, and right now I'm gonna get it to turn the other way. So let's do that. Let's see what this looks like. This looks good. This looks really good. right, this will need some banging too, but that looks like it's not gonna rub. I do want to flex it out on the front here just to see what it's gonna look like. I might have to jack one end of the truck up in the back just so I have full squat here and then see how it looks. This is actually not bad, pretty impressive for it. So that's definitely not bad for flex. And of course there's got to be a garbage truck when I'm filming. Thanks, Waste Management. Anyhow, yeah, it's flexed out pretty well, and this side looks like it ain't even gonna touch. So let me start it up and turn the steering wheel, make sure that I have full clearance. This side still's got to get banged in a little, but kind of gotta stay back a little because I don't trust that jack stand one bit. So that jack, I don't trust it at all anymore. Kind of started. All right, so I'm seeing what you're seeing and you're seeing what I'm seeing. That's that little tiny lip is what's making me a little nervous, but I think I should be all right. Let's see if it'll turn. Okay, yep, right here, right there. I gotta cut that off. Okay, so I have to cut this. No other way around it. All right, I guess I'll cut just enough of it that it'll neatly clear. Mark it with a Sharpie first. Such a difficult spot to get into. That should be good. That should be real good. A little TLC, I think should be all right. Cut quite a bit off. Wait, is that touching? Is this touching? Do I need to cut this off? That is touching the tire. I need to cut this off. Okay, more cutting. All right, let's check out the other side first. So excited. Turn all the way. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's so cold. I don't even care though. And look at that. Look at that. I think I have plenty of clearance, and if I don't, well then guess what? More cutting. Let's push this freaking tire. Let's see what happens. Come on, go, 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 go. Turn, damn it. Turn. I don't see an issue now. Perfect. Perfect. That should be good. So, let me go cut that plastic off on the other side, and I'll probably do the same on this side. This deserves a test drive. Let's see if it will make any noise going over the curb. All right, let's see. Okay. So far, I don't hear what I heard before. There's a random dog running around here. Yeah, I'm not hearing anything whatsoever. This is great. Not even a little. All right. Well, so here is my Project Duranged update for you guys. And the project is not dead. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you still do subscribe. And I totally melted the GoPro lens with with a cutoff wheel with the shit flying at it. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed this update video. I thought I'd make a quick video on letting you know what's going on with it. And yeah, hopefully December 22nd or 23rd, I'm gonna try to get it out to the off-road park and see what happens if we'll make it out there. So that's the plan. I'll try to get it uploaded before the holidays. If I don't, Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays, and thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you later, guys.